Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here on behalf of Rosie's Studio as part of their Creative Club design team to share my next project with you. For those who don't know, Rosie's is an online scrapbooking store that has beautiful scrapbooking collections, dies and stamps, and other goodies, so please check out their website. I'll put that link down below in the description box for you. They also have a few digital collections, which is what I'm working with. Again today, I'm using the Midnight Moonlight Collection, and this week I decided to create some ornaments for my Halloween tree. So I basically will pull in close, excuse my filming, but I'm doing this handheld and I'm trying to be really slow, but as you can see, I have a lot of different ornaments that I've created, and I figure that after the holidays I could use those ornaments for embellishments too. So I'm going to let you see a view of the tree here as it turns so that you can see I've done it all the way around, and they just look so cute. You have to kind of resize them a little bit to get them the size you need for your project, but it came together relatively quickly. I fussy cut all the images, and then some of them I used to make rosettes with, and some I backed most all of them with glitter paper to give them some more depth, and I think it came out super cute. So that is my project for this week. I hope you enjoy it, and again, I apologize for this type of filming. It's just something difficult to film. But anyway, please shop at Rosie's, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.